How to use LegalZoom Trademark registration properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most entrepreneurs think registering a trademark with LegalZoom is a quick form-filling task, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to rejected applications, legal challenges, or lost brand protection. The first mistake is not conducting a thorough search. LegalZoom provides basic search tools, but beginners who skip checking the ISPTO database may unknowingly apply for a mark already in use. This can result in delays, rejections, or infringement claims. Another common error is choosing an incorrect class. Trademarks are categorized by goods or services. Beginners who select the wrong class may limit protection or leave gaps that competitors can exploit. Many users also submit incomplete or inaccurate information. Names, logos, or descriptions must be precise. Beginners who make errors risk their application being delayed or refused. Failing to monitor deadlines is another pitfall. Once submitted, applicants must respond promptly to ISPTO correspondence. Beginners who miss deadlines risk abandonment of their application. Finally, some users underestimate the importance of professional advice. While LegalZoom guides the process, complex trademarks, potential conflicts, or international protection may require an attorney. Beginners who skip this step may face legal battles later. To use LegalZoom trademark registration properly, conduct thorough searches, select the correct class, provide accurate details, monitor deadlines, and seek legal advice if needed. Avoid these mistakes, and your trademark will protect your brand effectively.